Higgsfield Supercomputer planned, designed, and edited this running shoe ad all on its own. Running marketing campaigns in 2026 means endless competitor research, chasing trends, and forcing out new ideas every single day. That's why most brands burn out and call marketing a scam, but Supercomputer fixes all of that, and honestly, it runs campaigns better than most teams do. So by the end of this video, you'll have one agent that researches your competitors, plans your whole month, and creates your content for you. I'll drop a link to Higgsfield and all the prompts used in this video below so you can follow along. Now let's get into it. First, we'll head over to Higgsfield, then at the top we'll open up Supercomputer and start a fresh chat. From here, we'll switch the model to Opus 4.8 and leave Auto Run turned on. This lets the agent work through everything on its own, so we can generate results faster. If you want more control over your outputs, splitting your prompts into phases works better, at least in my experience. This one chat is where our entire marketing pipeline lives. Now, before we generate anything, Supercomputer needs to know who we are, so we'll paste in this prompt and dump our brand's full asset library straight into the chat. That way, the agent never has to guess what our brand and products look like. When we see this notification pop up, we know our assets are locked in, and from now on, the agent can pull them straight from its memory. Now that the agent knows our brand inside and out, it's time to analyze the competition. To do this, we'll drop in this prompt with 5 Instagram links from our top competitors. From here, the agent scans each page and studies their best performing content. But it doesn't just tell us what went viral. It breaks down the hook, the pacing, and the structure that made those videos work. Then it maps out the gaps that nobody else in our category is filling, and finishes off the process by handing us a clear playbook to recreate what's already working, but with a unique spin of our own. And here's where it gets interesting. The best ideas rarely come from inside your own niche. So we'll hand the agent a viral campaign from an entirely different industry, and it's one I know a lot of you will recognize: Red Bull Stratos. They sent a man to the edge of space and had him skydive all the way back down to Earth. It's the most iconic brand stunt in digital history. So we'll ask Supercomputer to take that same idea and rebuild it around our brand. And it doesn't just copy the idea on the surface. It breaks down why Stratos worked, and it builds us a comparison table that spells out the real difference. Then it gives us our own version of Red Bull gives you wings. And for us, the slogan is simple: the rules of running were made to be broken. From there, it locks everything into a 5-tier playbook, so we know exactly when to use each move. By now, we know exactly what works in our niche, but insights mean nothing without a clear plan to use them. So we'll ask the agent to take everything it's learned, our brand, the competitor research, and the Stratos doctrine, and turn it into a 30-day calendar. Every single day is mapped out with post types, hooks, captions, and the locked assets each post pulls from. It even tells us the best times to post and which metric each post is built to excel at. Then it lays the whole month out as a calendar we can follow. That's a full month of marketing planned in seconds. And remember, I've dropped this entire 30-day calendar, plus every prompt I used in this video, as a prompt pack in the description, so you can run this exact workflow on your own brand. Now, I need to be honest with you here. Like any AI output, this calendar isn't plug and play, but it's a ridiculously strong starting point, which we can refine and build upon rather than starting from scratch. Now, we have our full content plan, but what good is a plan without any action? So let's bring these posts to life. First up is this post that's scheduled for June 12th. On its own, it's a single studio shot of the shoe. Clean, no motion, built purely to sell, but we'll level it up and make it a carousel post for our shoe. So we'll run this prompt, which breaks down the content on each slide and gives some basic rules to follow. Now, Supercomputer turns our stock product shots into a carousel, showing all 8 colorways that the Vira Rule Breaker shoes come in. This is the kind of post that reveals an entire product line one swipe at a time, but a picture can only do so much. Our feed needs movement too. So next, we'll take the post that's supposed to be our end-of-month colorway wrap, but we'll rebuild it into a fast-paced colorway montage. To do this, we'll drop in this prompt, which locks in our colorways and forces the shoe to stay consistent from cut to cut. And Supercomputer gives us a 15-second reel, cutting through all colorways right on the beat. We get clean transitions between each colorway and even some professional 3D animations. And the music, Supercomputer generates it in the same pass. No separate audio, no stitching, and no editing. But one colorway stands out from the rest and deserves to be the highlight of the month. So we'll take the same idea that Supercomputer gave us earlier of the cinematic reel following our runner from city to city, but this time we'll turn it into an ad teasing our limited edition colorway. To do this, we'll drop this prompt into the same chat. It's a little more advanced than the previous examples because it it runs a full 4-phase chain on its own, building the title cards, the city shots, the soundtrack, and the final edit. And Supercomputer gives us another 15-second ad, taking the hero white colorway across the 3 cities it exclusively launches in. And the result is unbelievable. It generated its own soundtrack, animated each city, and stitched the whole thing into one cut. The runner never breaks across any of them, and the hardest beat drops the exact second our limited edition card hits the screen. Every post so far has been built to sell, but if you've been running marketing campaigns for as long as I have, you'll know that people follow brands with personality, not brands that only pitch. So for our last post, we'll do some meme marketing. On the calendar, it's a single meme, but we'll expand it into a full meme carousel with a call to action prompting the viewers to buy. So we'll run this prompt, which turns popular meme formats into our own original on-brand versions. And Supercomputer builds us 5 branded memes our audience can swipe through and tag their friends in. These are the kind of posts that sell without ever feeling like an advertisement. And just like that, our content is handled in a matter of minutes. But I know some of you will say, what if our content calendar runs out? That's why we'll have Supercomputer monitor our competition 24/7, so we stay ahead and never run out of anything to post. Because the best marketing systems don't just create content and stop. They keep learning and compounding over time. So in the same chat, we'll paste this prompt and turn the competitor research we did earlier into a live dashboard. Think of it like a security camera that tracks their new product drops, their price changes, and the discounts they run. It even tracks how they turn followers into buyers, from the links in their bio to their email signups. Then it pulls all of it into one clean dashboard. At the top is a market pulse, which tells us what the whole category is doing this week. Under that, there's a card for each competitor with the 3 signals worth our attention right now, and next to each one is a single line on what it means for us. The best part? When we come back next week, we just type "run the dashboard," and it refreshes everything, flagging only what's new since the last check. So while we sleep, it's still studying the market for us. Now there's one final job we'll hand the agent. Remember that ad I showed you at the very start of this video? We're going to feed that same ad back in, paste in this prompt, and repurpose it. The agent turns that single hero ad into 5 tweets, 3 short-form clip ideas, and a 3-email launch sequence for our newsletter. A teaser, a launch, and a follow-up for the people who didn't open the first 2. That's another full week of marketing material right there. So that's how Higgsfield Supercomputer runs your marketing campaigns on its own. And the best part? You have access to Supercomputer starting at just $5. So if you want to try this yourself, the link is in the description below. But Supercomputer can do far more than just marketing. We can create cinematic films, viral shorts, and even animations. So if you're interested, you can click the video on screen now to see exactly how it's done.